Hi, Sherry.
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Where you at?
We're at a car show.
Wait a minute. A car show or a truck show?
I guess truck show. I don't know where we're at.
We're at a mini truck show. It's the East Tennessee Showdown, Piney Flats, Tennessee. We're inviting you to see some awesome, not lowriders, mini trucks.
Alrighty.
And other lowered vehicles and lifted trucks, probably. We're going to have a good time. Join us.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
There's a lot more cars here this year. I'm going to start at the back. I love this paint. Don't fall in the field. Oh, that's a cool old 4Runner. Look at that. That Suburban over there, we saw it at
That's what I was noticing.
Mini Nats.
That's what I thought he was doing. I was like, my bad.
Y'all fishing brown, bro.
vehicles here.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sherry?
A lot of vehicles.
Ready to find some grub?
I'm not hungry.
Not hungry? Let's go down this way. Sherry is on the hunt for a slushie. Let's follow her and see where she's going.
Oh.
Watch your step right here. Hi, boss. What you doing?
You're drinking the water.
Is it a delicious hot day?
Definitely hot.
What is it, like 85 or 90? Not terrible. It's not humid. At least it's not humid. Monster will get us through. Hi, Sharon.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry that this ended up being a short video. So actually you'll see here when we're sitting, I was so sick I couldn't do it anymore. We ended up having to leave the car show. Looking back now, that was actually the beginning of the shingles and I didn't know that's what I had. I just know that the heat was making me so sick that I just wanted to pass out. That was the worst feeling. I hate that he missed out on the car show, but I wanted to upload what little bit we did have just to show it. It is a great car show and can't wait to go back next year. And I hope you enjoy this little clip.